What happens when you start boxing? Boxing is not only a combat sport, but also an incredible workout that engages your entire body in high-intensity exercises. It's widely recognized as one of the toughest and most physically demanding sports in the world. And while it comes with its risks, the benefits for health are equally significant. If you've ever wondered what might happen to your body when you start boxing, then you're in for an interesting journey. Boxing requires a combination of mental focus, physical strength, and stamina. It is not just about throwing punches. It's about learning techniques, improving agility, and conditioning the body to endure intense physical exertion. If you're thinking about boxing as a sport, here's a breakdown of the many things that could happen to your body as you embark on this intense physical activity. The benefits and potential risks of boxing. Boxing today is no longer just for elite athletes who want to fight in the ring. With boxing gyms becoming more accessible and popular, many individuals are turning to boxing as part of their fitness routine. Whether it's learning to punch a bag or taking boxing-inspired classes, the benefits are undeniable. Regular training can increase your endurance, improve your cardiovascular and respiratory health, and help strengthen your body overall. However, boxing is not without risks. When practicing with a partner, especially in sparring situations, the possibility of injury is real. Repeated head blows can affect the central nervous system and lead to long-term health concerns. To mitigate these risks, boxing should ideally be practiced under the supervision of an experienced coach, particularly when engaging in contact training. For many people, the goal of boxing is not to compete professionally, but to develop their body. Special boxing programs are designed for those who want to use the techniques to improve their physical health, while still benefiting from the full-body workout boxing provides. These classes typically take place in comfortable gyms with all necessary protective gear and under the guidance of professional trainers. With this approach, you can expect to enhance your muscular system, improve agility, and boost overall strength, all without risking injury. Reducing the risk of heart disease. One of the most significant health benefits of boxing is its ability to improve cardiovascular health. Boxing incorporates both aerobic and anaerobic exercises, which significantly enhance the efficiency of the heart and lungs. As you perform high-intensity drills like jumping rope, running, and circuit training, the cardiovascular system is put to the test, resulting in better circulation, increased blood flow to muscles, and improved lung function. Aerobic exercises like boxing not only help you lose weight, but also reduce your chances of developing chronic cardiovascular diseases, such as hypertension or heart disease. The combination of aerobic activity and strength training strengthens the heart, which is vital for overall health. The constant movement and endurance required during a typical boxing session can help to reduce the risk of cardiovascular problems, making boxing a fantastic choice for improving heart health. Keep your joints healthy. As we age, our joints naturally become weaker, making us more susceptible to fractures and pain, even during everyday activities. For anyone who wants to prevent this decline in joint health, boxing can be a helpful solution. Boxing involves a wide range of movements that require you to engage both your upper and lower body, making it an excellent way to keep your joints healthy. The dynamic action of punching, squatting, and jumping works the joints in your arms, legs, and core, helping to strengthen them over time. This can significantly lower your risk of joint pain, arthritis, and other related issues, and it is particularly beneficial as a preemptive measure for older adults looking to stay active and maintain mobility. As a beginner, it may feel awkward at first, trying to balance your movements while working on your punches, footwork, and dodging techniques. But as you continue to practice and improve, you'll notice an improvement in your overall agility. Whether it's navigating through a busy street, running, or participating in other sports, you'll find that your coordination improves significantly with regular boxing training. Boxing provides a full-body workout that targets everything from your arms to your legs, back, and core. The rapid movements and explosive actions, such as punches, squats, kicks, and jumps, help to build muscle across your entire body. With boxing, you don't need heavy weights to see results. The combination of high-intensity training and bodyweight exercises helps tone muscles and increase strength. It's not just about bulking up, but developing functional strength, which will make you feel more powerful and leaner. Boxing can also help you achieve a leaner physique by targeting fat loss. This happens because of the combination of cardio and strength training that occurs during your workouts. As you burn calories, your metabolism speeds up, and your body starts to shed fat, revealing a leaner, more toned body. Burning fat and losing weight. One of the major reasons why boxing has become so popular is its ability to help with fat loss. Boxing combines cardio, strength, and interval training, which is incredibly effective for burning calories and losing body fat. The intensity of the workout means your body continues to burn calories even after your session is over, a phenomenon known as the afterburn effect. The rigorous movements involved in punching, jumping, and moving quickly burn calories at an incredible rate, making it one of the most efficient ways to shed excess weight. Along with its fat-burning benefits, boxing also boosts metabolism, helping you continue to burn fat even after your workout is over. Increasing stamina and endurance. Boxing not only builds your strength, but also trains your cardiovascular system to perform at higher levels. This means that over time, your heart and lungs will become more efficient at delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, allowing them to work longer without tiring out. Boxing helps increase your physical endurance, and once you're accustomed to its high-intensity demands, you'll find that other forms of exercise feel easier. Your body will become more capable of enduring strenuous activities, and you'll experience better breathing control, which will help you maintain your stamina throughout the day. Relieving stress. One of the most enjoyable aspects of boxing is how effective it can be in reducing stress. The intense physical activity not only gives your body a good workout, but also helps release mental and emotional tension. After a long, stressful day, hitting the punching bag can help you release any frustration or anxiety, allowing you to feel more relaxed and clear-headed. Boxing triggers the release of endorphins in your brain, which are chemicals that make you feel good. This can significantly improve your mood and even help with sleep, as you'll be more relaxed after a session. Over time, this can lead to increased self-esteem and a greater sense of overall well-being. Conclusion: if you want to get in shape, relieve stress, and challenge yourself physically, boxing is a great option to consider. Be sure to check out more videos on this channel for additional fitness tips and advice. Stay active, stay healthy, and see you in the next one.